everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to fix Messenger note not showing on Android. So if your Messenger application isn't showing up a note, then you want to make sure to follow the steps. So first of all, you want to make sure that you have the latest version of Messenger app installed to your device, which means that you need to update. So head over to your App Store or your Play Store, and then on the search bar type in Messenger. And if you see any sort of update available, you want to do that, and that should be able to fix. However, if the application isn't working out still, you might want to make sure to long press the app, go to the I button or the app info section, come to the storage and cache, make sure to clear cache. Now clearing your storage is going to delete the data, so just leave it as it is. Now then, you could restart your device at the same time and check whether the issue has been solved or not. However, if the issue still persists on, you might also want to make sure to check your device's privacy settings to ensure that there is no restrictions preventing them to feature on. So click on the gear icon or the menu bar and go to settings. So when you go to settings here, you could go ahead and look for any sort of restrictions available that might be able to fix your issue. So now then, these are some of the steps you could try in order to fix Messenger notes not showing Android. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.